Aberystwyth University was established in 1872 as the first university institution in Wales that is a leading teaching and research university. We have 11,000 students and about 2,300 members of staff from over 90 countries. Currently, we are investing over £100 million to enhance and extend its already excellent residential, teaching and research facilities.
I am so delighted with all of the work that's gone in the Farm to Fork project. It's really pulled together three really big areas of work for the university. So the services that we deliver to students and staff through our food and drink outlets, our fantastic farms where they're really being incredibly innovative but also working as farms, and then alongside that the amazing research that we've got that's going on in IBES, our institute, where they are really developing all of the kinds of skills and knowledge that we need for the future to have a sustainable and really sound food future. So those three things together are just a unique mix that we've got here in Aberystwyth. One of the other things is looking at the quality and the range of offers that we've got in the food and drink outlets. The more that we work with the IBES researchers, the more that we work with our farms, the better that we can actually improve those services to students and staff. So I think that the next steps for us is actually working more with students to understand what it is that they expect from food and drink services, how much they want to know about the actual supply chain that got them that beautiful salad that sat on their plate. And I think that for students there's a real learning opportunity there for them to understand what goes on in our farms, for them to understand what's going on in the research and how that builds into a local economy that's vibrant. So I think there's stuff that we want to do around the curriculum and how we could pull in more student knowledge and experience to change what we're offering. That shows there's even more fantastic local produce out there that we can actually bring to the students and bring to our staff, and that feeds right back into a vibrant local food economy. So for sustainability, the real impact for us in the local economy means that we're buying directly from local suppliers. Everyone knows Aberystwyth, you can see where we are on the map. So for sustainability, the real impact for us in the local economy means that we're buying directly from local suppliers. By actually using farmers within the region and within Wales, we know that we're putting money directly into the economy there.
The produce from Aberystwyth University farms benefits the university as a whole, with ensuring a high-quality product at a competitive price, enabling access to local and healthy food for those on all budgets.